How to fix number pad not working on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. There could be a number of reasons by which the number pad must not be working. So for the very first solution, click on the search bar and search for Control Panel. Tap on it and then tap on Ease of Access from this page. Once you click on it, click on the first option, Ease of Access Center. After that, you will see a new page. Scroll down a bit until you find the option Make the keyboard easier to use. Click on the link to go to next line, and then on this page, you have to tick Turn on mouse keys, which will help you to use the numeric keys. Click on Apply and then on OK. The next problem could be the num lock key. So ensure that the num lock key is turned on. In order to ensure it, press the num lock key on your keyboard to toggle it on and off and see if the number pad starts working again. Moving on towards the third solution, it could be updating your keyboard drivers. So for that, let's go towards the device manager and open it. Once the device manager is opened, you have to search for the options of keyboards. Outdated or corrupted keyboard driver may also cause various issues. So right click on it and then click on Update Driver. After that, click on the first option and you're good to go. So this was some of the options for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.